Hey friends, Ben and Angie here. If you have been following along on our videos, you know we're in the middle of our summer
travel series.
Summer travel series, and things started going awry. We're talking to you now from the future, so we'll be back. We're in the middle of the series. We'll be back. Big Ugly's not happy.
No.
The motor is not happy.
No.
I've been taking it apart, testing things, and the conclusion is cylinder number 5 doesn't have any compression on it.
Of course, that was gonna be my guess.
That's a bad thing for those of you who don't know cars.
Sounds bad.
And this motor is kind of a oddball.
Yeah.
Not a great motor. So what I think I want to do is swap this motor for one a little bit bigger. It'll have roughly the same fuel economy. But I just got to do it.
It's been stressful. It's been
It's
stressful.
been stressful trying to find the
Yes.
right one, and I think I found one that will work. My other idea was to get a much newer motor, but that will require a lot of reconfiguring. And
We don't have time for that.
no, the correct motor will just bolt in, all the wires will plug in. So I think I want to do that.
Yeah.
I want to see if you guys have any ideas.
Yeah.
I haven't done anything yet. And
Let us know.
yeah, if you're wondering, this is a 99 Vortec 305 motor. And so I'm thinking about going to a Vortec 350, which will bolt right in, factory motor mounts. I just have to swap the ECU because it has a slightly different tune in it. But other than that, everything should go right together, bolt right up to the transmission, bolt right in place. Everything hook up, everything plug in. If you guys have any better ideas, I would love to hear about it. And if anybody wants to help us out, if anybody has a Vortec 350, I'd love to pop it in here. But this is just a quick little update for you guys. Angie, you got anything else to say?
We need the van to work because my
Yeah.
tiny little car is
We
not.
went camping this past weekend, which you guys will see in the future.
We were
And we
packed like sardines.
Angie's little car full of camping supplies, and we still felt like we didn't have enough stuff.
Right.
We
had
really miss having the van. We want it back. We want to be able to take our camper because we were tent camping, which it's nice to be able to go tent camping, but I don't want to have that as our only option.
and my car just cannot pull any.
Yeah, definitely not a camper. But guys, let us know what you think, and what should we do?
And if nothing else, leave us a smile in the comments.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.
We're getting there. Slowly.